What if I told you that Samsung is completely rethinking how power saving works on your Galaxy phone? If you've ever struggled to stretch your battery through a long day, One UI 8.5 might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. One UI 8.5 brings a major visual overhaul to the battery information screen, making it not just prettier, but much easier to see exactly how much juice you have left. But the real excitement is in the maximum power saving mode. It's getting the biggest and most practical updates yet. If you've used One UI 8 or older, you know how rigid power saving used to be. You had a series of toggles: limit CPU speed, reduce maximum screen brightness by 10%, switch to a standard 60 Hz refresh rate, enable dark mode, and set the screen timeout to 30 seconds. For true maximum battery saving, you had to enable the limit apps and home screen option. This essentially locked your phone into a static black home screen with 8 app shortcuts at the bottom. Functional, yes, but not exactly flexible or user-friendly. One UI 8.5 changes all of that by introducing two clear modes: Standard and Maximum. Standard mode isn't new. It bundles the basic power-saving settings together, letting you pick which limits you want applied. It works just like before for everyday battery savings, keeping things simple for casual users. Maximum mode, however, is where Samsung has really stepped up. It does everything the old limit apps and home screen option did, but with far more customization. Previously, you could select a few essential apps plus up to 4 additional apps to keep running in maximum mode. For many people, that wasn't enough. Now, One UI 8.5 allows you to select as many additional apps as you want, giving you full control over which apps stay active while still conserving battery. The home screen experience has been redesigned too. Instead of switching to a rigid black screen, maximum mode now only dims the background. Your usual home screen and app drawer remain fully functional, with disabled apps grayed out so you can see what's unavailable. This small change makes a huge difference, letting you continue using your phone while saving power, rather than feeling locked out. Samsung has also solved another annoying limitation from previous versions. Before, you had to decide whether to enable maximum mode before turning on power saving. Once activated, you couldn't change it. One UI 8.5 fixes this, allowing you to switch between standard and maximum modes on the fly. Need an extra battery midday? Flip to maximum. Done with heavy work? Switch back to standard. Flexibility has never been easier. These updates are based on the first beta of One UI 8.5, so some details might still change before the final release. But the direction is clear. Samsung wants power saving to be smarter, more intuitive, and more useful without limiting your access to your favorite apps. It's worth noting that these details come from the first beta of One UI 8.5, so some things may change before the final release. Still, the direction is clear. Samsung is making power saving smarter, more flexible, and easier to manage. One last thing, the visual overhaul of the battery screen isn't just for looks. It makes it easier to see how your battery is performing, track usage, and understand how your settings affect overall life. Pair that with the new maximum mode improvements, and One UI 8.5 feels like a thoughtful, practical upgrade for anyone who struggles with battery anxiety. So, what do you think? Are you excited to try the new maximum power saving mode, or do you prefer the simpler setup from before? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit like, share it with other Galaxy users, and subscribe for more One UI 8.5 updates.